Hey guys, so we are going to be testing out the iPhone XS and the Samsung S9 versus the iPhone 8. Yes, that is right, we are doing a comprehensive 3-phone comparison. Which is better? What's worth your money?
It's funny, it does look more orange, isn't it?
So we just tested out the iPhone XS versus the iPhone 8 versus the Samsung S9.
And also the iPhone XS match.
We have decided that the Samsung S9 is the better camera of them all.
You decided that?
Yes, I have decided.
The Samsung one has a wider field of view, and quality-wise I think it's sharper, but let's find out. Alright.
Now it's time to the iPhone XS versus the Samsung S9. Which is better? This one or this one? Let me know. Now it's time to the iPhone XS versus the Samsung S9. Which is better? This one or this one? Let me know.
It's funny, it does look more orange, isn't it? Except this one ends up looking orange on the computer. I think I prefer this camera, you know?
I think I prefer
it looks sharper. Too. I don't know, it looks sharper, but the thing about Samsung cameras is they look good on the phone, but on the actual computer it looks really orange because Samsung are a bit, you know, they don't know how to encode videos correctly.
Something people have also noticed recently is it shoots video in the Rec 2020 color space instead of Rec 709. That's what happens when you turn on or leave on HDR.
As you can see, HDR is off. I'm gonna hit record at the same time. Alright, as you can see, it's even worse now. Whereas iPhones are gonna look good no matter what. Sound-wise, the tennis match did actually sound better. Maybe it's got better speakers or a better microphone. And also the colours were nicer than the iPhone 8 and the iPhone X, so it has improved slightly. So the 2x zoom's really good.
That's cool.
What are you up to?
Like kisses.
The sound's actually pretty good.
The sound is really good.
Alright, this is going to be an iPhone X or iPhone 8 versus iPhone XS video camera.
Hi guys, this is me with the iPhone 8 and the iPhone XS. What do you think? Good? Bad? Same? This one's actually darker.
So it does fill in more of the shadows, I think.
It definitely does.
What about the sound?
Hi guys, this is me with the iPhone 8 and the iPhone XS. Hi guys, this is me with the iPhone 8 and the iPhone XS. What do you think? Good? Bad? Same? What do you think? Good? Bad? Same? That's interesting. That's actually, this sounds lighter. Hi guys, this is me with the iPhone. This is me with the iPhone.
Yeah, it does sound.
It's different.
Yeah, it does. That's cool.
However,
it's not as good as the S9.
Exactly, I would say that the XS actually looked orange compared to the Samsung S9, which is crazy.
Alright, so check this out, yeah? This is how the size of the camera normally is when you take a picture.
Yeah.
But when you take it as a portrait, it is really close.
Wow.
So you have to be really far away from your character to get that cool effect. So the bokeh effect. It's good, it's great, it works really good, but it does have a big crop. So that's the normal size, so it crops it in. So it's not as amazing as you think it might be.
I was really looking forward to the 10x bokeh effect, but during the portrait mode, it crops in so close to your face, like you lose half of the picture.
Now what do you think about the size?
For me personally, as a girl, I've got quite small hands, and I probably would say I would pass on that. Oh, this is so small. Okay, my hand is like, it's doable. Like you can click on some stuff, it's got a nice home button, you can press on it, you can navigate up, you can navigate down. But you know, you can work your way around the screen quite easily. That's my current iPhone. Now, going on to the iPhone XS, it is bigger. There's no home button, so you can't press anything, you have to press that instead. And then if I want to go like towards my FaceTime, I'm really struggling right now. It's just a lot bigger. It's a bigger stretch. This surely can't be good for my tendons in my thumb. Going from the iPhone XS to the iPhone XS Max. Oh my dear God. I feel like I've got a baby hand. Okay, I can literally just, the last 3 levels is what I can go for. There's no way in hell that I can go up to the tips with one hand. Okay, it's not comfortable. Instead you have to kind of do this, and you might even, by doing that, you might even press with this part of your hand, the iTunes, so it's like, that's impossible. So, I think I'll be sticking with my iPhone 8 because my hands are average size. You know, I'm 5'6", I'm an average person. This is just diabolically too big. Look, you can't comfortably go up to the watch. I can't go to the watch. What do you think?
As a guy who has had the S9 for a while now,
Yeah.
I like it. I know I can't reach it, but it feels bigger. I'm getting used to, do you know, the more you use phones, the more you want more screen space because you get used to holding it. So I kind of like, I don't mind having a bigger phone, to be honest. I really like the size of this one. What I don't like is this bit. But yeah, I like the size, to be honest. Yeah. I actually enjoy a bigger phone. Like, I really am enjoying having a bigger phone. I want to get the S9 Plus next time.
Wow.
Like maybe the S10 Plus. And I think the tennis match was actually pretty cool for me. By the way, survived the escalator chest.
That's it, I'm not getting it anymore. I'm done. Boy, bye.
It's funny, it does look more orange, isn't it?
Are you ready?
Yeah, almost.